Here's a quick little video. Here's my YubiKey Nano 4, and you can see that we got a little chip in the corner because it's on my, this isn't my full keychain. I just took off the part that has my Vento drive and my YubiKey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this USB port and I'm going to make it less sharp. Lost it for a second. I'm gonna make it less sharp and use it as a little cover. I thought about 3D printing something, but hey, these ports, they have spring steel built in to make it retain the device. And normally I'd be really scared about it falling out, but because this is just a port, it doesn't matter if it does fall out. I can just use another one. So to start, I'm just going to bend down these pins. I'm going to take a pair of pliers and try and get a nice clean bend. Okay, now I'm bending these shield tabs in. Okay, so I just bent the shield tabs down. I'm just pressing down, and I'm starting like this because I want to make this as least sharp as possible. Then if I decide I need to, I can cut these off. And now I'm just going to take, the only sharp spot is this top edge, so I'm just going to do some light sanding right here. That feels pretty good. I'm going to sand some of this plastic too. Okay, the last thing I did was it was just the tiniest bit loose, I felt like, so I took my pliers and just poked down on those spring tabs there and there, just to make it a little bit of a tighter fit. If you push down too far, then you won't be able to push anything in, and if you do, it'll also kind of create more wear and tear, but I'm not too worried about that. And now I can use this as a little cover for my Nano drive, just not drive, security key, just to protect it a little bit. And there we go. If I have any problems, I'll leave a comment down below talking about them.